Hey guys, welcome to Nasty Addiction Garage. Just kind of a little quick update on the V6. It's on the floor, we already know that, but I'm starting to get everything cleaned up for the engine bay painting. So this is where we're at so far. Emptied out everything here. It's gonna look really nice once it's done painted. This is the bay so far. So far everything looks pretty good. But I'm gonna take it to get painted soon, hopefully. Like I said, you know, I do this all with my own money, and nothing's sponsored or anything like that. So it does take me a little bit of time, but so far so good. Took out all the wiring, took out basically everything, lines, everything that I possibly can. But so you guys get a nice little picture before, and then I'll redo one of these after. Best dog in the world, right there, right there, right there. Obviously she's a good helper. But just a real quick video. Like I said, like, share, subscribe to all your friends. This is gonna be a cool build, man. This is gonna be one of probably the better builds. It's like a revision of my original build, so it's kind of more so just a step up of my build, but this is gonna be real nice. So just so you guys know, all right, stay tuned for more videos, guys. Thanks for watching.